Everything in the village feels and looks so different. The beauty after the rains can be compared to none. Our evenings are peaceful and quiet, and this is the best time to catch the village sounds. It's time for rest, and everything gets to rest. We take the animals back into their sheds. Our cows like to fight at night, so we tie each one of them to a pole so they don't get into contact with each other. I love to watch the fading rays of the sun through the woods. It's the most beautiful thing you'll ever see in the village. It's time for the children to shower as the darkness sets in. The moon looking so pretty up the sky. I forgot to close the windows early. Usually the bugs fly into the house, and there are plenty of mosquitoes around. I tried to organize the outdoor spaces that were messed up during the day. Then proceed to check on the free-range chicken who've been out the whole day. I usually count them every night to make sure all of them are in. It is 7 p.m. here. We've just begun preparing dinner. Sometimes the preparation begins outside, then we proceed indoors. For dinner tonight is beef and rice. Let's cook. After dinner, I clean and organize the kitchen, then proceed to shower. In the cold season, I like to use jelly on my skin before bed. It locks in the moisture and just keeps me warm throughout the night. It's time to enjoy a movie before I retire to bed. Looks like it's going to rain tonight. The sound of rain has always been a lullaby. It was just for a short while. Have a good night, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in my next. Bye-bye.